Hey everyone, I just want to show you the cure-all for hiccups. I've seen all the tricks out there, from pulling your ear and swallowing water, getting scared, but none of them tend to work for me. So here's the one that someone showed me and it works every single time. So the trick to this one is actually swallowing water while you have your arms lifted up in the air, and it actually shifts something in the diaphragm and it fixes it. All right, so with your water, you want to fill your mouth up with enough water so that you can actually take 3 big swallows while your arms are lifted. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate it to you here. And that's the trick. It works every single time, folks.